YouTube, and in this video what I'm bringing y'all is a mid drop fade with waves. Unfortunately in this tutorial I'm not gonna be able to show y'all a lineup, man. My client, he doesn't like to get a lineup, and I gotta do whatever my client likes. But yeah, other than that, I got everything else for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. So to kick this haircut off, what I'm going to do is basically start my ball guideline from the bottom of my vertical bar since it's a mid fade, and I'm going to drop that ball guideline toward the back. As you can see with the motion I just did with my finger, what I'm going to basically do is trace over that line with my lever all the way open and go up about 1/2 inch. And as you can see with that motion of my finger, I'm going up another 1/2 inch with my one guard all the way open. And I'm just being consistent. I'm making sure that hair is all the way down to a one guard open. Right here I go on my 2 guard close, and basically I'm really taking off that last bulky area here. I'm not really setting in another guideline, but I'm just taking down the bulk, the extra bulky hair. So right here I'm taking down my client's hair with the grain with a 2 guard all the way closed. And I also wanted to tell you guys, make sure you guys stick around toward the middle end of the video, because I want to share some tips with you guys, and I think they'll help make fading even more simple for you guys. So make sure you guys stick around. So now at this point in the haircut, I'm starting the process of knocking out my guidelines. I used to set my guidelines and take out the guideline as I was going. But now what I do is I set all of my guidelines and I work my way down, fading the guidelines out as I go down. So what I just did was I took out that small guideline, the 2 left behind, with the 1.5. Now I'm going with the 1 guard all the way open, right under where I used the 1.5, just to clean it up a little bit. And then right here you see me, I close the lever on the 1 guard, and I'm taking out that line. And then in a couple seconds you'll see me go with the 0 guard and fully take out that line. So at this point in the haircut, you see I'm at the bottom section of the fade, near the bottom middle section of the fade. I'm using my 0 guard to knock out that guideline at the 1 guard close set in. And the 0 guard, as you can see, it really takes out that line. So don't always depend on the 1 guard close to take out that guideline, because I feel like the 0 guard, is really the guard that takes out that guideline that the 1 guard leaves behind. But yeah, right here I'm going with the lever all the way open, right under where I used the 0 guard. And then you see me, I'm closing it halfway right here, going even lower into the fade. And then I'll close it all the way and take out that line fully. gonna let this clip run since you guys have the steps down. Make sure y'all take little mental notes and follow along. Just follow the steps and try to take something from it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna interrupt just a little bit here, but the tip I wanted to give you guys was that if you guys keep it simple, fading is really easy. You see, I switched up my method. I put in all of my guidelines first, and then I work my way down, taking out each guideline. And it really saves you time, and it makes your haircuts more consistent, and it makes the fade more even every time. If you have a system that you follow. So just when you watch my videos, try to follow my system as much as you can. And if you find that another system works for you, use that system. Perfect that system. And it really helps. It really helps time-wise, and it helps your fade really come out blurry and on a consistent basis. So once you guys find your technique, it don't gotta be my technique, but whenever you find your technique, make sure you perfect it. Make sure you guys take out them guidelines with the smaller guard. Make sure you guys do your detail work, and your fades will be nice. Remember, keep it simple. Follow your guidelines. Make sure your guidelines are the correct, half an inch, or if you want to go up an inch, make sure you take out those guidelines fully, and your fades will come out blurry, man. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get back to watching. In this clip of the video, I'm fading out the back. And one thing I want to tell y'all about the back is when you guys setting in your guidelines, you can you have a little bit of room to set them a little bit higher. I say maybe an inch, a little bit less than an inch, because in the back you have more of a longer space to fade with. The back is longer than the sides, so you don't want your fade to look too tight and compressed. You want it to be to blend in to the sides. So you can go up a little bit higher so that it matches up with the sides and it doesn't look too compressed, unless of course you're doing a compressed fade. But just make sure your guidelines are a little bit more spaced out in the back. But yeah, I'm gonna basically let this clip run. You guys know the steps already. Lever open, half an inch. One guard open, half an inch. Two guard closed, half an inch. And then I'm working my way down. So I'm gonna just let this clip finish out. You guys will see the final results. Yeah, the back part of this fade was a little bit more difficult because this client has sort of an indent in his head, and you gotta kind of work around it. I chose in this fade to work above it. I took my fade over it. So yeah, just you just gotta adjust when you're doing haircuts. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys this part of the fade was probably the hardest, out of all sections. But yeah, I'm just keep running. So in this portion of the haircut, I'm taking my trimmers and I'm just treading over the hair, you know, knocking off any loose hairs, knocking off the hairs that's standing up. Because especially with someone with waves like my client right here, you want the hairs to lay down so the haircut look nice and clean. So y'all, this is proof you can give a nice haircut without a shape up. You know, my client was happy. I hope you guys are happy. You know, be in tune for my next video.